Hello everyone, good morning all. How are you? Yes, you all are good and doing good studies and sending continuously videos and your work. So good, well done, keep it up. Now move on. We already started chapter 4 house. We already started this chapter 4 house and I already explained you each and everything which is related with this chapter number 4 house, right? So I'm going to take a quick recap of the entire chapter. Then we will discuss about the then we will discuss about on page number 26 pupil who build a house, right? So first I will take a quick recap. Okay, entire recap of chapter house है ना, chapter 4 house. This is going on in our class 2 in EVS, right? In this category we are going to learn about the different type of houses and roof, which I already explained you in my previous lecture. Then special features of a good house, this thing also I explained you in my previous lecture. And pupil who build a house, this we will discuss in our this lecture only, right? So झटपट recap, a quick recap. Why do we need a house? Yes, we need a house to live in, right? And house is a place where we are living with our family members, है ना? Then it converts into home, right? And house protect us from all type of weathers, all type of seasons like heat, cold, rain and the strong winds. Strong winds we can call in Hindi bhavar. जो तेज हवा का झोंका भंवर चलती है, that is called a strong wind in English, right? So and house protect ourselves from wild animals and thieves also. So this is the things. Then we need a house. Yes, see dear students, we human beings always have three basic needs, है ना? We always have three basic needs. First, food, second, shelter and third, cloth. Roti, kapda और मकान. You many times you heard this word in Hindi also. Roti, kapda और मकान, है ना? So we human has three basic needs: food, shelter, clothes, right? So like us human beings, animals also wants to protect their self, है ना? But they don't have house. They don't have house like us. Then what they are doing? They will use the shelters. They are using the caves, है ना? अच्छा, जब बारिश होती है, when rain will come, then what will happen? Then what will happen? Then all the wild animals, they will go on the mountain top, on hilly areas, and there they will find out the caves. There they will get the shelters, because they also are living things. That's why they wants to protect themselves from all type of seasons, है ना? So here some names are mentions, right? I will read those names, right? A dog lives in kennel, horse lives in stable, lion lives in den, cow lives in shed, birds always make nest on a tree, and hen lives in coop. Right? Now I am going to turn the page and I am coming on. I am opening page number 24. Type of houses. Yes, dear students, there are two kinds of houses. First one is kacha house, second one is pakka house, है ना? See, first we will talk about the condition of early men. What was the condition of early men? Early men, they don't have the houses. That time they don't have the houses. Then they were used the caves. उन्होंने गुफाओं का use किया. They took the shelter in the caves, है ना? Then they start thinking, यार कुछ करना पड़ेगा. Then they starts making the कच्चा house, है ना? To build a कच्चा house, they were used the mud, bamboos, है ना? And leaves. these things they used to build a kacha house, है ना. Then it's time to scene, it's time to move on. Then they realize, yeah, this kacha house is not good against the heavy rainfall. This kacha house is not good against the heavy rainfall. Then they start thinking, yeah, do something new, do something different, है ना. Then they starts making the house by using these stones, and stones is very 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 strong, है ना. So they starts building the houses by using these stones. And nowadays, so we all are living in permanent house, we all have the pakka house, right? So what kind of material used in kacha house? There are three kinds of material especially is used in kacha house. Leaves, है ना, mud and bamboos and straws, right? This house is not very good against the heavy rainfall. It collapse easily. वो ढह जाता है तेज बारिश में, बिखर जाता है, टूट जाता है, right? So this house is not very much strong, and you people can find these kinds of houses especially in the village areas, right? So this is a story about the kacha house. Now move on, we will talk about the pakka house. Pakka house we can call the permanent house also, है ना. Suppose if you will go for roaming to Indore, आप अपने साथ अपने टॉयज ले जा सकते हो. You can carry with toys with you, you can carry bicycle with you, है ना. But you cannot carry this permanent house with you. ऐसा नहीं होगा. You can't carry the permanent house with you as like your toys, right? So materials required for permanent house, for pakka house is bricks, cement, steel, wood, है ना, and stones and glass. So this is the requirement of a pakka house, है ना. Then we learnt about the bungalow and an apartment also, right? See, apartment has many stories, many multis, and many families can live together in an apartment, है ना. Then we talked about the type of roofs. So there are two kinds of roofs are given in your book. First one is flat roof and second one is sloping roof, है ना. See, we all are living in plain surface, we all are living in plain areas, है ना. That's why we all are using the flat roofs, right? And pupil, those who are living in mountain areas, so which kind of roof they will use? Can they use flat roofs? Then what will happen if they will use flat roofs? When snowfall is there, then all the snow will gather on that roof and it is very difficult to remove that snow, है ना. That's why people, those who are living in hilly areas, in mountain areas, they always use the sloping roofs, है ना. जितना भी snowfall होगा बेटा, वो सारा का सारा sloping roofs की वजह से नीचे फिसल कर आ जाएगा, गिर जाएगा, right? So understand the difference between a flat roof and a sloping roof, right? Then we learnt about the temporary houses. Yes, temporary house we can call in Hindi asthai ghar, है ना. Temporary house can move with us, we can carry with us, right? So in this category we learnt about the houseboat. Yes, this word houseboat is made with two words, house प्लस बोट. हाउस यानी तो पता है आपको घर, एंड बोट यानी नाव. तो ऐसा घर जो नाव की तरह हो, है ना. एंड बोट कैन मूव्स ऑन फ्लैट सरफेस, बोट कैन मूव्स ऑन ट्रैक, हाँ, नो ना. सो बोट ऑलवेज फ्लोट्स ऑन वाटर, राइट. So houseboat is a category of a permanent house, and you can see these kinds of houses especially in Kashmir, है ना. There is a place Dal Lake. On that lake you can see these kinds of house which we call houseboat, right? Now move on. Then we learnt about the caravans. Caravans is a kind of a movable house. In this van, each and every facility inside the van, each and every kinds of facility we have inside that van, right? Caravan is kind of a small house. It kinds of a movable house. ठीक है. Then move on. We learnt about the tent. Yes, tent is a temporary house, right? Especially these kinds of houses using by the soldiers, right? Then we learnt about the igloos. Igloos, especially these kinds of houses made by the snow, है ना. Snow, जैसे you will hear this word snow, you start shivering. यार कपकपी लग रही है बर्फ की वजह से, है ना. बट लेकिन ऐसा नहीं होता है. जो इग्लूज होते हैं ना, इट्स वेरी वेरी वार्म इनसाइड. वो अंदर बहुत गर्म होते हैं, राइट. सो दीज 4 टेम्परेरी हाउस, all the information I discuss with you, right? But one more house I know that it is not mentioned in your book, is that tree house. Yes, these kinds of houses especially made on a strong and big tree. And why people are making these kinds of houses? Why? Have you think that? No, because these kinds of houses can attract the tourist easily. That's why these kinds of houses are made. So keep remember this thing when we will make these kind of houses, है ना. Tree house, what is the requirement of this house? A big and strong tree. ठीक है. इसकी पहली ज़रूरत है बहुत बड़ा और मजबूत ट्री होना चाहिए, राइट. अंडरस्टैंड. ओके. देन वी लर्नड अबाउट a good house. Yes, a good house has every facilities inside that house. Proper windows, proper ventilation, proper doors, है ना. And ventilation is the most precious part of a good house. Why the ventilation is most precious part of a house? कभी सोचा? This question is raised in your mind? कभी ये बात आई है दिमाग में? नहीं आई है. चलो, नो इशू, आई विल टेल यू. वेंटिलेशन इज ऑलवेज 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 नीडेड, है ना. रात में बेटा वी कांट ओपन द डोर एंड स्लीप. नो, ऐसा नहीं होता है. रात में तो वी शुड क्लोज ऑल द डोर्स एंड द विंडोज बिफोर गो ऑन बेड. Then how we can get the fresh air at night? So these ventilation provide us the fresh air, and whatever carbon dioxide we are releasing while sleeping, it goes out from that ventilation. That's why the ventilation is very very needed, and proper doors and windows always allowed to come fresh air inside the house, and the sunlight. These two things are very very needed. It is very much required in a good house, है ना. So 3 things is very much needed, it's very much required for a good house: proper doors, proper windows, and the ventilation, है ना. Door and windows allow us to fresh air come inside, and the sunlight is very much required, है ना. Why? Because it kills the germs. अगर आपके घर में, सपोज आई एम गिविंग यू एग्जाम्पल, अगर घर में किसी भी खाने की चीज़ में कभी कोई घोनिया कीड़ा होता है, तो व्हाट मम्मा विल टेल यू, क्या कहती है? अरे बेटा आना यार, ज़रा इसको धूप में रख कर आओ छत पर, इसमें कीड़े हो गए। तो क्यों कहती है ऐसा? क्योंकि जो सनलाइट होती है ना बेटा, उससे ही वो सारे जर्म्स मरते हैं। ओके, अंडरस्टैंड? सो दैट्स व्हाई सनलाइट इज वेरी वेरी important for a good house and ventilation also, right? So now today we will learn about the people who build a house on page number 26. Today we are going to learn everything about this wala portion, people who build a house, right? So whatever is written in your book, first I will read, then I will explain to you. Okay, see the picture number first. What you can see on picture number 1? Picture number 1 indicates you, tells you that there are two men who are discussing about a house. So what are they? They are the planner of that building, that house. It means what the names of these two people? The names of these two peoples are the architect. The word architect is new for you, so you have to make it underline that word, architect, right? Now move on. Look at the picture number 2. What the man is doing in picture number 2? What he is doing? He is keeping bricks, है ना? वो एक bricks रख के क्या बना रहा है? He is making a wall. So what is the name of that man who is making wall of our houses? The name of that man is mason. So underline this word mason, M-A-S-O-N. Right, make it underline. When you will watch this video, that time get ready with your book and pencil. Whatever words I am telling you, you have to make it underline and try to learn their spellings also, right? And come on, look at the picture number 3. Two people are sitting over there on floor and they are doing some work with wood. They are preparing something by using the wood. So have you think who are they? What they are doing? What they are preparing? Yes, dear students, they are the carpenters. Who are they? They are the carpenters. And what is the work? What is the job of a carpenter? Yes, carpenter makes furniture for us. Whatever furniture we all are using at our homes, in schools, at everywhere is made by the carpenters. And what is the spelling of carpenter? C-A-R-P-E-N-T-E-R-S. Carpenter. So underline that word, carpenters. What is the job of a carpenter? Yes, carpenter make furniture for us. Whatever furniture we all are using, made by the carpenter only, है ना? And for making furniture, what they are using? They are using the wood. They are using the wood, right? Okay, now look at the picture number 4. What the man is doing in that picture? Can you see a wash basin over here in the picture? Yes. So what we are usually doing on that wash basin? क्या करते हैं? We are washing our hands, है ना? We are washing our hands in this wash basin by using what? Can you wash your hands without water, without soap? No, we can't wash our hands without water, है ना? See, water is required rather than the soap or hand wash. बिना पानी के we can't wash our hands, है ना? Sorry, बिना साबुन के तो we can wash our hands, but without water we cannot wash our hands. So what the man is doing in that picture, he is fixing the taps. He is fixing the taps, fitting the pipes, है ना? Fitting the pipes to get water. to get water. So what is the name of that man? Plumber. What is the name of that man? Plumber, right? So what is the job of that man? Plumber. He fits water pipe of a house so we can get water in our taps. है ना? So what is the spelling of plumber? P-L-U-M-B-E-R. Plumber. Underline this word. Underline this word, plumber. Right? Understand? Architect from plumber, you understood all these things? Hope you understood. Now move on. The picture number 5th. Picture number 5th. What you can see? What these two men, what they are doing? Huh? They are fixing some tasks here and there. Huh? So who are they? What are the jobs of them? What they are doing in the picture? Yes, they are the electricians. They are the electrician. And what are the jobs of them? They fit the wires, switches, plug of a house, so we can get the electricity. है ना? See, dear students, without electricity we can't imagine our life. है ना? We will face trouble if electricity is not there. Then how we can operate our computer, our laptop, how we can watch the television. है ना? So without electricity we can't do anything nowadays, तो right? So you feel very hot, है ना? So what you will do? You will go and you will switch on the fan. You feel comfortable, you feel cozy. Wow, ठंडी ठंडी हवा लग रही है. So each and everything is related with electricity only. So in picture number 5, electricians are doing their jobs. They are fitting the wires, they are fitting the switch and plugs and boards in a house. है ना? So this word electrician, you have to make it underline. And what is the spelling of that word? E-L-E-C-T-R-I-C-I-A-N-S. Electricians. Now okay, now we will talk about the last picture, है ना? Picture number 6. What the man is doing? He is painting a house. He is painting a house. Yes, you guess it right. He is a painter. He is a painter. And what is the job of a painter? He paints the walls. He paints the walls of our house. Right? So this is story about the all people who build the house for us. Without their support we can't get a good house. We can't get a good house. If we need a good house, then definitely these all people will help us. These all people will help us, and without their support we can't get a good house. We cannot build a nice house. Right? Understand? Hope you understand. Once again I will repeat the names. First picture, architect. The work of an architect to draw a plan for house, है ना? कैसे बनेगा नक्शा, रूम्स कहाँ कहाँ होंगे. These entire plans is made by an architect only, है ना? And second, mason. मजदूर के बिना we can't. अच्छा, आपुर में क्या मजदूरी करके घर बना सकते हैं? No, we needed a mason. ठीक है? So what is the job of a mason? He makes the wall of a house, है ना? And picture number 3, carpenter. Yes, carpenter makes our furniture. We can't make our own furnitures, right? And picture number 4, plumber always fix the taps and the water pipes in our house, है ना. An electrician plays a very important role. We get all the switch, all the boards, all the wires fixed by the electrician only. And the last, the painter paints the walls of our house, right? So here we finished the chapter number 4, house. I hope you learned each and everything which is related with this chapter, right? So in my next lecture we will write the new words, we will solve the exercise, whatever exercise are given in your textbook, we will solve these exercise. Okay, so my time is going to over. Till then, bye bye, have a nice day, take care of yourself, keep studying, bye.